Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cloud clutch bag. To start our bag, we'll be using 2 strands of our yarn and we are going to make a slip knot. We are then going to do 21 chains. Once you've done 21 chains, it should measure around 10 centimeters. If you want to make it bigger, you can do as many chains as you like, but whatever chain size you do, it will be double the size once we've finished. For the first row, we're going to do an increase in each stitch all the way to the end. So in second chain from hook, do 2 single crochets. And continue to do 2 single crochets until you reach the end. When we get to the last stitch, we're going to do 3 single crochets. Once you've done 2 single crochets in each stitch, it will start to curl up, which is fine. It will start to straighten out the more we crochet. In the final stitch, we're doing 3 single crochets. And now we're going to go on the other side of the chain and do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way to the start. We will be going into these stitches. After you've finished doing 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around, we're going to do 15 rows of double crochet. After you've done 15 rows of double crochet, we're going to do 2 double crochets together all the way around. So to do that, you want to yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And that is double crocheting 2 together, and you want to repeat the exact same thing all the way around. We are now going to do 1 row of single crochet. After you've done 1 row of single crochet, we're going to do a row of 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, and repeat that all the way around. We are now going to do 3 rows of single crochet. After you finish doing 3 rounds of single crochet, we're going to do a slip stitch into the next stitch and then fasten off. After you've fastened off, it is now time to add the fastener. So you can either keep it without or attach a fastener. So with your bag lying flat, we are going to place the fastener in the center, and then with our needle on thread, we are going to sew it to the bag. After you've sewn on that piece, attach the second piece so that they're lined up, and then close your bag, and at the same time when you're opening it, pull up that second piece. So now you know that you need to sew this part here. After you've sewn both sides together, you should have something that looks like this. Now we just need to weave in these ends on the inside. And then attach your chain to each side of the bag. You can leave your chain just how it is. If you do want to add the yarn to make it look like it goes with the bag more, then you can. All you need to do is have your 2 pieces of yarn that you've been using. Cut your yarn so it's about 6 inches bigger than your chain. And then we are going to grab our darning needle. And then all you need to do is weave your needle in and out of each of the links. Once you've gone through the whole chain, you want to put your darning needle into the big ring and then go up through that loop and create a knot. And then repeat that exact same thing again. So go into the ring and then create a knot. Cut your yarn, but don't cut it too close to the knot, just leave it about 1/2 centimeter and repeat that on the other side. And that is your cloud clutch bag finished.